Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, Ray go to Rams, now we buy a Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest Jeep on our lot. It's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you are going to have your 3.6 liter engine. Got some tow hooks, the new front end on it, fog lights. Coming down the side, you do have blacked out badges. Actual door stops on it, which is actually really nice so you're not smashing into other people's vehicles. You are also going to have some running boards on it. Soft tonneau cover. You are going to have a backup camera, hitch receiver, and wiring. Of course, another tow hook right there. But other than that, we're going to hop into the vehicle and check it out. So inside the Jeep, you are going to have cloth seats. Down below, floor mats, they do snap in on either side. Locking glove box with the manual. Got all your vents right there. This is a touch screen. You are able to get Sirius XM on it if you want. You can save all your favorites right up top there. Bluetooth phones, pretty standard. Dual climate control, you can use the screen or any of these buttons and dial down below, kind of whichever you prefer. You're going to have all your apps there, backup camera. You can select your favorites, drag them down to the bottom there. All the buttons for your windows. 12 volt, whole bunch of plugins there. Extra auxiliary switches. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. Cup holders. And then this is actually a little slot for the key that goes in there. Storage kind of all throughout, with the largest compartment there. You also have cruise control. You can take all of these roof pieces off if you want, but other than that, we're going to hop into the back seat and check it out. In the back seat, you're going to have a whole bunch of room for your passengers, storage in behind either seat, more rear vents, all the buttons for the windows, cup holders down below. You're going to have speakers up top there, interior lighting, rear sliding window. This is all heated as well, and again, this roof piece does come off. But other than that, if you want to make this Jeep yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629